Hey, welcome to One Tiny Step. Today, we're talking about something we all struggle with, getting started. Why is it so hard to take that first step? And how can a tiny action change everything? I know it feels overwhelming sometimes. You have this big dream, maybe starting a business, losing weight, learning a new skill, but somehow your brain keeps saying later. You scroll, snack, check your phone, and suddenly hours are gone. It happens to all of us. And here's the truth. It's not laziness, it's fear, the fear of starting. Let's break it down. Fear of starting often comes from thinking the first step has to be perfect. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, or I'm not ready. But that delay keeps building. And the dream feels bigger, scarier, impossible. Think about it. How many times have you wanted to do something meaningful but got stuck before even trying? That feeling of hesitation is normal. It's human. The key is to act despite that fear. So here's a simple hack you can use right now. The 5-second rule. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Don't wait for motivation. Move before your brain talks you out of it. That small action could be anything. Opening your laptop, writing one sentence, tying your shoes, or even sending one email. It sounds tiny, but that one action starts a chain reaction. Motion creates motivation, not the other way around. Think of it like pushing a heavy rock. The first push is hard, but once it starts rolling, it keeps going. Look at some famous examples. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. J.K. Rowling was rejected 12 times before Harry Potter was published. They didn't wait for the perfect moment. They didn't wait to feel ready. They took one small step at a time. And that's how big dreams are built. Step by step. Even in everyday life, small steps work. Want to get fit? Start with 5 minutes of walking today. Want to learn a new language? Learn one new word. Want to start a business? Send one email, make one call, or write one idea down. That's it. Just start. Here's how to make it easier. Break your goal into tiny steps. The smaller, the better. Micro steps feel achievable. Use the 5-second rule every time hesitation hits. Count down and act. Celebrate small wins. Every small action you take is progress. Ignore perfection. Done is better than perfect. Track your actions. Seeing your progress motivates you to keep going. Remember, your brain likes comfort, but dreams live outside comfort zones. Fear is a sign that you're growing. Don't wait to feel ready. Take action anyway. Small actions build confidence. Confidence builds momentum. Momentum builds results. It's a cycle. And the best part, you don't need huge motivation to start. You only need a tiny step. So, what's your one step today? Not tomorrow. Today. Write that line. Send that email, take that walk, make that call. Your big dream doesn't start with magic. It starts with one tiny step. Thanks for tuning in to One Tiny Step. If you found this helpful, follow for more simple but powerful motivation. And remember, every journey begins with a single step. Take yours now.